Here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, we have been moved to phase yellow, which means we can finally reopen our showroom with only a few slight changes. When walking through our showroom, we require that all customers follow the Pennsylvania guidelines and wear a face mask while inside the building. We've taken all necessary precautions and are continuously cleaning to help keep both our customers and employees safe. While we remain in the yellow phase, we will continue to have curbside pickup and delivery available to customers. Other than that, our showroom is open for business. We have lots of products available for demos like TVs, headphones, speakers, and more. Our knowledgeable sales staff is here to help you and answer any questions you may have. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, so come in today.